What's up? I'm Sierra LaFay. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to head to the hair salon to get my weave taken out. I've never been to this hair salon before, so I'm really nervous, but also really excited. They're also going to wash and style my hair, which I haven't had done in a minute. So hopefully this is another hair salon that I can recommend for you guys if you are in Chicago. But let's head in. So this salon is actually in the South Loop of Chicago. It's on a very nice and quiet street. There's parking right in front, and then there's free parking right across the street. She took down my sew-in in literally 10 minutes. It takes me 2 hours just to get the tracks out myself, and then an additional hour to get the braids out, but she did it so fast. This is how my hair looks underneath after having the sew-in in for 2 months. I also had a bobby pin in my hair because one of the tracks was coming out, and I tried to secure it with a bobby pin, and she told me never to do that because when you leave a bobby pin in your hair and then you start washing your hair, the bobby pin can actually rust your hair and your scalp, and she said that I did have rust from the bobby pin on my hair. And then after she took out the braids, she took her time and detangled my hair with a brush, which I didn't know that you were supposed to do. I automatically go in the shower to detangle my hair, but she told me not to do that. You're supposed to do it while it's dry. You can see all the shedding that my hair did within the 2 months of me not having access to detangle it. We went to the shampoo bowl and she shampooed my hair really good because she knew how bad my scalp was itching from that sew-in, and she took her time washing my hair. She used a medicated shampoo and she let that shampoo sit on my hair for a little bit just to kind of get some of that smell out, because y'all, my hair was just, I did not take care of it. After that, she put conditioner in it and let me sit under the hooded dryer for about 10 minutes to deep condition my hair. And then we rinsed it all out.
And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
Once I got out of the shampoo bowl, she put leave-ins in my hair and then divided it so she could start blow drying. Now, JoJo specializes in growing long, healthy hair. I'm telling you guys, although I'm not a hair professional, I have learned a lot about hair. I'm still learning, but this girl knows what she is doing. And it makes sense for her to have such long, beautiful hair. And a lot of her clients have long, beautiful, healthy, natural hair. So after we blow dried the hair, she said I needed a trim, which I actually haven't gotten a trim in like 8 months, so she was right. She was showing me what needed to be trimmed, and then we talked about what I felt comfortable about her trimming, which you should always do with the stylist. Make sure you discuss with the stylist what you feel comfortable with taking off, so that way you're not leaving the chair crying your eyes out and then being scarred for life for not wanting to ever get a trim, which is actually what happened to me. So she's trying to get me out of that mindset of not being afraid of trims, but the trims are going to help me with actually growing my hair. So I'm definitely going to be going to her more often, and I'm going to be getting frequent trims, and we're going to see if this actually does help with growing hair. She swears by it, so I trust her. Again, she has beautiful long hair, and she's helped so many of her clients grow and maintain their long hair. After the trim, she asked me how I wanted my hair. I told her I wanted some volume and curls in there, some body. And because it was night, she offered to pin curl my hair if I wanted to, and I definitely said yes. So that way I'd be able to maintain the curl in the morning time. And she showed me with each section of my hair the particular way to pin curl it, so that way I would get the best results once taking out the pin curls in the morning.
Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 20.
Good morning, it's the next day, and I just slept with my hair like this with a scarf wrapped around. Then I made sure to put a shower cap while I was in the shower. Now I'm gonna take him down. This is the first time I think I've ever done this. Maybe when I was a kid, my mom put pin curls in her hair, but I'm excited to see the results. And I know they're gonna be tight, but I'm just going to loosen them up. Got them all out. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to separate this without causing too much frizz, and then making sure that I still have a lot of body. So I think what I'll first do is start off by shaking them, and then maybe unraveling the curls with my fingers.
Parker City, Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
I got the curls kind of how I want them. I'm just going to let these fall throughout the day to give me some more length. And I changed the part to like the side part. But I'll make sure to have JoJo and her salon info all linked down below. She's amazing. My hair smells really good. And again, she specializes in growing long, healthy, natural hair. So make sure to check her out if you're interested in getting your hair done in Chicago. Make sure to let her know that I referred you. But I'm going to finish getting ready for work. And until the next video, see you guys later.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.